The world of AI is moving at a furious pace, and this week has been truly wild. We're diving into some massive updates. We have a new state-of-the-art image generator and editor called Lumina Dimoo. It can generate images from a text prompt, and it can also edit existing images using a text prompt, similar to Nanobanana. Lumina Dimoo has demonstrated excellent results in following complex, detailed prompts, including those with multiple elements and text. It also features image editing capabilities, such as adding objects to a scene, changing a photo's style, or modifying backgrounds. The model also seems to have built-in ControlNet-like abilities, allowing you to use a style reference photo, or upload an edge map, depth map, or a pose skeleton to guide image generation. It's also skilled at in-painting, filling in blanked-out sections, and out-painting, expanding the edges of a photo to create a panoramic view. On average, Lumina Dimoo achieves the highest scores when compared against other image generators and editors across various metrics. The models have been released on Hugging Face and GitHub, with instructions on how to download and run it locally. The total model size is around 17 gigabytes. A very useful AI called Paper2Video automatically converts a scientific article into a full narrated presentation video. It generates the slides and creates a full video with a virtual version of you, or a chosen avatar, in the corner narrating the content.
Averages 13 3K words, 44.7 figures, and 16 slides with 6-minute presentations.
The input requires the paper, a photo of the person, and a few seconds of their voice. It works by passing the paper through a slide builder and a subtitle builder. The transcript from the subtitle builder is fed into an audio generator to clone the voice and get the avatar to speak. A cursor builder component synchronizes the subtitles with the narration. This tool addresses the labor-intensive nature of creating academic presentation videos, which traditionally requires manual design, recording, and editing. This could be a game changer for academics and students. The creators have released everything on a GitHub repo, including instructions to install and run it locally. The minimum requirement for running it is 48 gigabytes of VRAM. Mimix is a cool AI that is similar to Sora 2 in its ability to mix and match different fictional characters and styles within the same video. Examples include mixing Mr. Bean into a Tom and Jerry episode, or having him interact with a realistic ice bear. It can even blend 2D and realistic characters in the same video. When compared to other video models, Mimix excels at preserving the character's appearance. A technical paper and GitHub repo have been released, but the code is not yet public. NVIDIA has created a text prompt image editor called ChronoEdit. It allows for edits like changing a view to a full side view while maintaining character consistency. It can also transform a sketch into a styled scene or make subtle changes, like removing glasses. Similar to Lumina Dimoo, it appears to have ControlNet-like capabilities, such as extracting an edge map from an input photo. The interesting aspect of ChronoEdit is that it applies the edit by reasoning through how the change would play out over time. This involves imagining a short video of the edit and then generating the final output. ChronoEdit can create results that faithfully follow physical consistency. This capability is useful for creating synthetic data to train humanoid robots or autonomous driving systems. The creators are planning to release the code. Grok Imagine version 0.9 has been released. This is another video generator with native audio built in, similar to Sora 2 and Veo 3. The quality isn't as high as Veo 3 or Sora 2, but it is completely free to use. It allows you to type a prompt to create a photo and then click Make Video. Video generation is fast, taking around 1 minute. You can also upload an existing image and then use a custom prompt to generate the video and audio. We have several interesting humanoid robot developments this week. DR02, the waterproof robot. Deep Robotics unveiled the new DR02 robot, which features a different value proposition. Unlike electric-powered humanoid robots, the DR02 is certified to be waterproof and dustproof. This enables reliable operation in wet, outdoor, and industrial conditions, including continuous work in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. It integrates a multi-sensor system, including LiDAR, depth cameras, and wide-angle cameras for object detection and path planning. It can climb stairs and slopes and carry loads up to 20 kilograms. Figure 03, the household assistant. The Figure 03 robot was unveiled. It was designed with soft materials and multi-density foam for protection, allowing it to work safely in home environments. The demo video showed it working inside a house, walking around and serving water. It autonomously detects and manipulates various objects and was shown performing household chores like cleaning, picking up a cup and plate, and washing dishes. Impressively, it was shown loading clothes and detergent into a washing machine and pressing the start button. It was also shown folding clothes in a very human-like manner. The robot could potentially work as a receptionist or perform delivery tasks. The demo was very polished and staged, with hard cuts, so it's uncertain if the robot can perform all these actions continuously and autonomously without errors. Regardless, it offers a glimpse into a near future where affordable humanoid robots help with household tasks. And lastly, Orca Robot with expressive gaits. The Orca humanoid robot by Cyan Robotics has a different focus. It has been programmed to have expressive gaits, or walking positions. Examples included a happy walking gait, a tired gait, an angry gait, complete with angry-looking eyes, a nervous gait, and even an intimidating gait. This feature is likely a marketing stunt, but it represents another new contender in the humanoid robot space. The pace of innovation is accelerating in every single domain. The future is here, it's real time, and it's absolutely thrilling.